All right, so we're going to start today with translations. So translations is a specific type of transformation transformation that we can do in geometry. And another way to think about this is really just like slide, glide, move. You're taking it from one spot and moving it to another spot. So as an example, if I have a triangle right here, this is called my pre-image. That's the one before I perform the transformation. And if I do a translation, that means that I am sliding it to another spot, okay? I'm going to try and draw it exactly the same as I did before. It is not exactly the same, but you get the idea. And I name that with A prime, B prime, and C prime. This is the image, okay? Pre-image translates to the image. We say the original, the image is triangle ABC. The pre-image is triangle ABC. The image is triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Now, another thing that you need to know is how much does something move? And that's going to depend on what it is that you're looking at. So let's say if I've got a graph, I'm going to just kind of make a simple graph over here, okay? And let's say I've got a triangle right here where this is at 1, 1. I've got one at, let's say 3, 2. And then I have one at, let's see, 1, 3. So here is my pre-image. This is before I move it. Okay, and so before I move it, I have points A is 1, 3. B is at 3, 2. And C is at, what did I say? 1, 1. Okay. Now, if I were to translate this in a certain direction, let's say that I translated it. How about I translate, I don't know, I can't think of numbers right now, to -3. Okay, that's my translation. Translate. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I'm going to take this and I'm going to say, okay, this becomes 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3. This becomes 3 plus 2, 2 minus 3. This becomes 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 3. Okay, so my new points, I ran out of room there. My A prime is at 3, 0. My B prime is at 5, -1. And my C prime is at 3, -2. So I've performed this translation by adding 2 to every X value, and I've subtracted 3 from every X value. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw that on my picture. Okay, so my new A prime is 3, 0. That's right here. This is A prime. B prime is 5, -1. This is B prime. And C prime is 3, -2. So here's my C prime. And I can draw in my new triangle. So that's how we do this on paper. If you're doing this in Delta Math, it says you're going to get 2 kinds of problems. So let me share my screen and show you the 2 types that you'll get in Delta Math. Share screen right here. I have a lot going on. So this one says determine which translations would map figure F onto figure G. So from F to G. And so I'm just going to choose one point. It doesn't matter which, but I'm going to figure out how far does this top point go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, 1, 2, 3. And then how far does it go down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to say that it goes to the right 3, and it goes down. I forgot what I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 5 units. I'm going to try it. It's going to show me how it moves to the right, and then it moves down. Okay, so that's one type of problem that you're going to get here. The second type of problem that you're going to see is translating the figure graphically. It's going to be doing it a lot more like we just did. However, you don't have to get those X, Y points. You're just drawing it. So translate the figure 1 unit left and 5 units down. When I do that, I'm going to do each point. I'm going to do 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. I'm going to click the point. I'm going to do that to my next one. 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And it makes that new. This is my image. This is my pre-image, and I will submit my answer. Okay, so those are the 2 types of problems that you're going to see here. If you have any questions about translations, let me know.